Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome back to my channel. If anyone's new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I'm 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you come from Crazybeautifulmua Heather's channel, welcome. If you're here because you love to support me, thank you. Today we have installment 3.0 of our collab series, Buy and Try. This is the Makeup Revolution edition. Yay! I love doing these because you know how much I love unboxing beauty subscription boxes and getting mystery boxes and collabing with my twin, Heather. This combines everything into one. New makeup for me, unboxing mystery box, and collab. Oh yeah, and I gotta put makeup on my face. Enough rambling, let me dive into the box. And as I do so, I'm going to introduce Heather, aka my twin. So we refer to each other as our twins because we have a lot in common. Do we look alike? No. But do we love and enjoy makeup? Do we love and enjoy doing beauty hauls? Do we both have YouTube channels? Are we both fair? The list could go on and on. Heather is a makeup artist and she is a beauty blogger. She has a whole ton of social media, which I will link down in my description box below. So please go visit her channel, show her some love, and let's see what she got me. I already forget. I want to say our budget this time was maybe $40. I could be wrong. But what we do is we decide up front, okay, we're going to get each other a blush, a bronzer, an eyeshadow palette, eyeliner, lip product, etc. And then we go shopping and send each other what we think the other person will love and enjoy. So let me dive in and grab the first item. All right, we have something from their collab with the Simpsons. This is the Treehouse of Horror. Ooh, it's a highlighter palette. How precious. So I don't know if we'll pick up on camera, but there are indents, or what do you call those? Embossments of, I am not a huge, I forget what, Maggie and Homer. Who's the kid? Bart. Yes. So let's do some swatches. That's what the shades look like. One is more champagne and one is a little more gold. And there they are. All right, yes. Okay, next item. What do we have here? This is from the Disney Mulan collection, and it's Live by Honor. It looks to be one of my favorite shades. Does not seem to have a scent. But let's put it on my face. I like it. It's not sticky at all. It's the type that you would apply throughout the day and would be your everyday gloss, or that's how I would treat it. Throw it in my purse if I ever left my house and just reapply using this one. It's not super shimmery, super glossy. It's not date night worthy, but it's everyday worthy, and I love the shade. Thank you, Heather. Okay, what else did I get? Oh, yes, super bronzer. I forgot to tell her I already got this. Let me see if I can dig up the one I have. Well, let's first see the color. The shade does, yeah, I think it's a dupe. So let me go find the one I already own. You know what? These are different shades. Mine is in the shade Sand, and the one she got me is in the shade Desert. I'm just gonna swatch both of them. I am super curious what the shade difference is, and that way you guys can see as well. I don't know if it will pick up on camera the difference. They're very similar. So here we have Sand, and here is the shade Desert. This is the one she got me. Okay, next item. Ooh, yes, cream blush product. This here is the Fast Base Blush, and it's for cheeks and lips. I'm not seeing a shade color. It just says blush, so maybe it's just called blush, but let's do a swatch. That's beautiful. It's kind of a pinky mauve. I just drew it on. Let's kind of blend it out. Yes. All right, next item. This looks like it's going to be the eyeliner product. This is from Skin XX Makeup, and it's the XXact eyeliner. Interesting packaging. Feels like this is metal and it's square. Let me do a swatch. It's the type that twists up, and it is definitely black. My favorite. Yay! All right, and the last item is going to be the eyeshadow palette. What do we have? I'm going to let you guys see first. What is it? Ooh, XX Revolution. It's the Matrix shadow palette. Ooh, is it going to be green and black? Or is that just the packaging? Because those are the shades of the Matrix. Ooh, this has some weight to it. And it's not super thick, but it's thicker than standard eyeshadow palettes. Here's what the front looks like. Comes with a mirror. Heather, you done did good. Look how beautiful. Nice, neutral, but not a boring neutral, like an exciting. Got some oranges, got some purples, got some browns. This will make lovely eye looks. And I don't want to blind you. I'll try to cover up the mirror. But look, in the middle, across the middle row, it actually spells out Matrix. Each little pan is embossed. Okay, I'm excited. Try on portion. I'm going to try to do something different. I know I don't like talking and putting on makeup, so then I just put music, speed through. I don't know if people like that or not. I feel like you can walk away, don't hear me talk. So, do this and see if this video is 10 minutes instead of 30 minutes. All right, let's bronze it on up. So, I'm going to struggle to come up with things to talk about because I'm not an MUA. Oh, my goodness. Okay, well, now I have something to talk about. Abort, fix. I probably should have tapped that out. It is very pigmented. We're just going to rub here for quite a while. And yes, alrighty. I probably shouldn't have used such a dense brush. Let's take two on the other side. All right, leave me a comment and let me know if that was hilarious or if you're like, hey, I do that too. Okay, that was pick the worst brush ever to apply. All right. Now that my whole face is orange, let's move along to blush, which in hindsight, I probably should have put on first, but the bronzer was down low enough. I'm just going to use my finger and rethink that and grab a brush in case I need it. Hold on. All right, this is probably the wrong type of brush. Heather, I want to just fast forward and put music on because that way I can just sit here and do my makeup and not look the fool. All right. Finger first. Now, let's try a brush. That's better. All right. It's a little extra. Hold on. When in doubt, sponge it out. That looks nice. Alrighty, let's get some of that highlighter on. I'm going in with the light one. This is the Bart shade. Quite blingy. Oh my God. Alright, what did I say before? Repeat the mantra. When in doubt, sponge it out. That, I went a little ham. That's on me. Do I have to give a disclaimer that I'm not an MUA? I think it's very obvious. I also want to try this blush on my lips. Not too shabby, although I did already have the lip gloss on. Plus the lip gloss I started the video with. So, a little bit of extra color. Okay. Question is, what kind of an eye look do I want to create? I'm going to be adventurous and I'm going to do a purple look. What just happened? Oh, okay. I dipped into a different color, which was the black. That threw me. I'm like, why is it so dark and messy? Oh, memento. I guess I just got to match the craziness. Why? This is what happens when you film on a Thursday after a struggle, hectic, horrible week. Mm-mm. Abort. Oh my God. Yes. Take two. You know what? This eye look is getting worse by the minute. I'm just gonna take this beautiful shimmer, put it across my lid, put the eyeliner on, and finish this video up. Oh, Heather, I'm so sorry. Oh, this is what happens when you try to use purple. Ooh, that's a pretty color. I do not recommend you use that black shade. It's patchy. It goes everywhere. Yeah. But that's a pretty shade. If anyone's still here, thank you. This video is a fiasco. Apologies, Heather. Leave me a witch emoji. I'm assuming they make such a thing. A witch. Anything Halloween related. Broom, maybe? That way I know those who are deep into this video, and I appreciate you. I've like wiped off half my concealer and just, I'm looking a hot mess. I'm going to fix that, and I'll be back and put the eyeliner on, touch up my mascara, and try to salvage as best I can this look. Put this in my waterline. Should I attempt? I use a liquid liner on top, but I'm wondering if I should give this a try. I have a feeling it's going to be a fiasco, but you know what? We're already there, so maybe I should try that. Okay, here is the final look. Heather, have I apologized enough during this video? Has nothing to do with the makeup, has nothing to do with Heather, has to do with me, a novice enthusiast who's trying to film midweek. And yes, accidents happen. But what I want to share with you is you can turn lemons into lemonade, or you can try. At the end of the day, it's makeup. As you saw, I screwed up on my eyeshadow, wiped it off, tried again. Is it perfection? No. Is it good enough to get through this video? I hope so. Leave me your comments. OMG, I'm so embarrassed. All right, well, I really appreciate anyone still watching. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. You may be going, why? Because I'm fun. I'm a lot of fun. Make sure if you do subscribe, you click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. And if you haven't done so by now, thumbs up or thumbs down. Any form of engagement helps my channel to grow. And don't forget to go visit Heather and watch a professional put on makeup and see the beautiful items I sent her. All right. Sorry, Heather. Thanks, everyone.